Hi my fellow YouTubers. Well, it's that time again to get a new vacuum, and I got this from Walmart.com. It was $48.99. It has great reviews, but I've also I've purchased before from Walmart, and it's the same Bissel. It's not the same vacuum, but it's the same brand, and it only lasts a year last time. So hopefully, we can do something about it. And it does say 2-year warranty on the other one. So, but this one I want to show you the unboxing, what it has and what is the difference. I still have my old one, but it did give us trouble. And the other one was the Powerforce compact vacuum. This one is the Powerforce Helix, and it is a little bigger, so it holds more, and also you're gonna need a screwdriver because it comes with 2 screws, and he's about to put them on right now. So this attachment goes up here. And the screws are on the handle as well. So yeah, that's the only difference. The screws are right here. There's 2 of them. As you can see, the handle is different from my old one. I will post the link down below on my video that I recorded last year, because it was last year that I purchased the other one. So these are the attachments that come with it, and it's the same thing as the other one. And this one too. The color is the same. The only thing is this one is a little bigger, a little heavier, and it holds more dust and all that. And here he's putting the screws on. And I will show you how it works in a bit. So yeah, this one right here, the handle is different, that's all, from the other one that I purchased last year. The one that I purchased last year was the Powerforce compact vacuum, and this one is the Powerforce Helix. So let's see how long this one lasts. I've had so much trouble with them. I don't even use them that much. I don't really vacuum, to tell you the truth, and for some reason they don't last long. I always have trouble with the I don't know what it's called. I think it's that rubber thing that holds, that turns, and it ripped. It's like burned rubber. That rips all the time, and I'm just tired of it. I wish we could just go back to the other ones where you can just buy the old bags that you have to buy them all the time. I think those, I remember my mom having those old vacuums, and they are just fine. I mean, they probably last like 10 years with the same one. I don't know how, but they used to do it. I don't see why we have to be buying one every year. But yeah, so this attachment goes here, and then the other end goes on the bottom. And you just twist and tighten it up. No screws for this. And the other side just snaps into place. You twist and you snap into place. And then these attachments goes in the middle. and he just didn't know where it goes, but you put those on the side. The little brush goes on the side. They seem to fall all the time. The other one does the same thing, so I don't know. I don't know what to tell you about that. But I guess that's what you get for getting something for this price.
This one, flip it para in there.
And then this one you flip, and it should go in there, and then you place it in there in the middle, and that's where it goes.
Y aquí no hay nada.
And that's all.
Entonces la voy a poner.
Oh, and then we're missing one part.
I'm gonna use it on
Gotta look
Jesse's
for the other part that goes in there so you can. Well, there, I guess we're gonna start.
It is, ¿verdad? It's bigger than the other one.
Okay, this part is the one you place in there, you twist, you lock it, and then this one helps you put the cord in place. So wrap it up around there. So that's what that's for. And now I'm going to show you how it works. And hopefully you can hear the force of the vacuum. So just remember, this was $48.99. And yeah, this is how you open the bottom to release the dust
There's the button.
and all that stuff.
Y acá arriba.
And then this is where you
To clean the
open the
filter?
top, just in case anything gets
A ver.
in there and
clean the
it doesn't
filter.
come out.
Y este.
Just if something gets stuck, then you open that. And then this one is for the filter. You push the button,
So this is the
and
filter.
there's a filter on this side, the black. I guess that one's the one you replace, but I don't think this lasts more than a year. But hopefully it does. Now I'll show you picked up a lot of dust, picked up a lot of hairs.
So
And
that
you
was
can
for
see it
one
right
room.
here.
It picked up
That's a
all
lot.
that dust.
We did the whole room, and that's what it picked up. We do live in Arizona. We
And
have
all
the
those
AC
hairs.
on like most of the time.
You can
and-
see the hairs right there,
or
Yasmin.
the heater. So we tend to get
And
a
on
lot of
mine
dust.
too.
So yeah. Hope you guys like the video. Give it a like
Mine
and
too.
subscribe.
Look at that.
And
Look at that.
have a great day.
Hopefully this
Bye-bye.
one. Lasts longer. This one, look.
He's camping over there.